In this video tutorial, I will be talking about DFS replication. I'll be replicating the data O1 share to server 2, and I'll also prove that it is working. So right now I am on server O1. I just want to show you guys that we have the replication already set up. It will load. Go to DFS management node. We just extend it by clicking the little plus sign. And click on the replication. And right there you can see that we do have it set up. Now if we work our way over to server 2 and then we open up the docs O1 namespace, we can go ahead and enter in some data in the statistics O1 and budget O1 file. I'm just going to put some data, doesn't really matter what you put, we're just going to put this for the purposes of the video. We're going to save it. Now we're going to go back over to server O1 just to make sure that the data we just entered does transfer over. And at this point server O1 is still on. And data O1, statistics O1, budget O1, as you can see the text we entered is still there. And now we're going to shut down server O1 just to prove that the DFS replication is working and that it will keep the files up to date with server O1 off since that is the host server. Now that we're back to server O2, we can go ahead and open up the namespace and then go to the data O1 and the budget O1 file that we edited. We're going to enter some meaningful text so that we can distinguish to make sure that the replication is indeed working. And then we're going to go ahead and save it. And we're going to close out of this. Now we're going to work our way back over to server DC and keep in mind that the host server, server O1, is still turned off. We're going to navigate to the budget O1 file that we edited on server O2. And just to prove that DFS replication is replicating everything, we can see that the text that we entered is there. Now we're going to power back on server O1, and I edited out a lot of the loading, so save time. Now we're going to make sure that the text that we entered on server O2 does replicate back to server O1. I'm just going to navigate to the namespace and then data O1. Statistics O1 and budget O1 file, and as you can see the text that we entered on server O2 is there. This proves that DFS replication is working. And this is the end for my video tutorial for Lab 3 in INTC 2020.